Hi guys, let me introduce you the simplest way to group the numbers as per the Indian context. Most of the cases while installing Microsoft OS, nobody cares which region is being selected. By default, the region selected is US, and we will get the digit grouping as 1000 separator, like what we see here. Now, in Indian context, the digit grouping will be like this for most of the cases for the currency, and even if you are going to select the currency feature, it will be showing the dollar sign and 1000 separator. So there is a simple one time less than a minute task with which you can get this type of grouping with lakhs and crores. Let me show you once. Now I'm minimizing the Excel and opening up the control panel and selecting the region. Go to the format, select English Indian, where we are getting it here, English Indian, and you can see the date, month and year format is also changed. Earlier it used to be like month, day and year. Now it is day, month and year. Again, earlier the digit grouping is 1000 separator, and now after selecting this Indian, the date format also changed, and even the digit grouping also got changed to the Indian scenario. Now click OK, click apply, OK, and then switch to the Excel. Now you can see the digit grouping has automatically changed, and even the rupee symbol has appeared here instead of the dollar. Most of the cases we will do this task in our laptop, and in our Excel it will be appearing like this, and when we forward this to the other person for whom it is having the American system and a US system, they will be seeing again the 1000 separator only. So whenever you are getting any Excel sheet with 1000 separator, you should know that your personalization settings are different, that is United States, and now you have to go for Indian settings. Thank you guys, see you again in my next video.